freshmen from the UST Faculty of Arts and Letters.
Guys, I'm living the dream right now! Let's go! Hi guys!
Lost or
Nasa orientation pa rin po kami.
breather from every
I was born ready for the season!
We are the tigers, the mighty, mighty tigers.
Go back, USCU! SD! Go back, USCU! Go back, USCU! Salamat, hinigo pa ko ng uste.
How about the College of Fine Arts and Design?
I am a passion.
On my honor,
My honor,
I shall strive always.
I shall strive always.
Go! Wave! Go! Sigaw! Faster! Ay ano, MOV! Oy! Okay lang, kanina! Kahit balik!
Yes, again, we're golden! Gonna be golden! Oh, I'm coming out of voices!
number 14, Giraffe. Here comes the Growling Tigresses.
Sorry guys!
Freshies today.
Hindi po ako yun. Magpe-face mask na ako mamaya paglabas.
Single reaction is our field correspondent, Francis Capito.
I'm sure the energy there is unbelievable.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. May naiinggit kasi nandyan ka sa unahan eh. Nagbablog na ako. Ulit. Kasi dinilit ko lahat eh. Gutom na ako. Tas uhaw.
Harap tayo ng piyato kumain. Harap tayo ng piyato.
Babad na kami dito. Hindi nyo ba kami sasamahan? Grabe, pawis na pawis. Nakalimutan kong mag-vlog. Hi guys. So, ito na. Babad. Dito ba? Okay. Iiwan mo na ako, bye. Hi guys. Magdadala pa ba ako ng payong? Oo. Sige, magdadala ako. Wala akong taga-payong. Ay, huwag ka nang ganyan. Diyos ko. Babad na ako dito. Guys, kumakain na kami. Loh, kainis. Puro mukha mo na sa vlog ko.
Vlog mo talaga yan.
Jump shot. Namamulo na siya.
Wag na, tama na.
Hindi ko makapos baga. Ah, sige. Performance. Hindi ganyan. Hello.
Ato, wait a sec.
Kakantahan kita. Sige. Happy feel niya ako, guys. Wow! Nananay. Wow! Maayos-ayos kayo dyan. Sana nagpa-practice na kagalan. Drawing. Baliw talaga eh, no? May saltik eh. Kakayamot? Sama na eh. Babad ka na sa vlog ko ah. Kakatapos lang namin mag-TikTok. Uy, hindi. Yan. Naglalangib na po kami. Kadiri na yung itsura ko. Mukha na akong...
Basta ako, TV mo naman ako. Ano? Parang naligo lang ah.
A day in a life as an A person, everyday edition.
Field edition.
Wow!
So, dito tayo.
Hoy, bilisan nyo naman lakad.
Takbo tayo, bilis.
Hoy, pigilan mo. Porkit hindi nga naka-heels kayo, nakayaba mo ah.
Sa ano lang naman sila?
Hi guys. Sobrang OA. Guys, kamusta naman ang pila?
Yung pila?
Pila.
Walang Guys, sobrang haba. Like, sobrang tagal namin nag-antay doon.
Mga 2 hours.
Pero masaya naman yung pila.
Ay, sa kanya ba sa'yo? Sure na sure.
Hindi kasi guys, ganito kasi yan.
Paparazzi.
Kainis. May dispatch.
May dispatch pala dito.
Hi guys! Tagal magsimula.
Guys, may naman ako.
Sino? Sino?
Kumahanap. Pero ko nasa likod.
Hirap na nga ako mag-ano kanina eh. Mag-zoom eh. Hindi niya pa rin mahanap. Pasimple siya guys. Wala pa. Ang OOA talaga. Sumisigaw na. Wala pa talaga.
see me, disbelief like hey, breathing in the streets.
I'm a monster, what do we feel? I'll eat your brain, then I'ma start running on teeth and fangs.
There's nothing else left to do kung hindi marigay ng Espanyol!
Style fresh, marami ng face, the whole semester.
Sige yan, Bernardino! Oh my God! Ang mundo nang magkasama tayo, sunod sa bawat galaw. Ano magbibigay sa akin ng sing-sing? You'll be the princess, I'll be the princess. It's a love story, really just in my head, I don't know what to think. Leave that to the planet, move back and read the sun. Mary Lee, Juliet, you never want to be alone. I love you, and that's all I really know. To you, that you'll pick out the one that it's a love story, really just
I've waited so long, hoping you would take that stay. You gave me one look and now I can't get my mind off of you. And it's all you can say, see the galaxies are in your eyes, and I can't speak a word, can't speak at all. I swear to Zeus or Aphrodite in disguise, don't think that you can hide it from me. To the last, when the music, or if you're enjoying your time with your friends here, pwede nyo bang i-on yung flashlights nyo for this last song? Why not? I wanna see this space full of lights. And if you know the words to this last song, you can also sing along with us. Every single word for the rest of our lives.
Ang kulto ni Hoshi, nandito na! Nandito na, harang eh! currently 7:18 p.m. and I'm still here in UST. I'm so tired. Siguro mga 6 na natapos yung concert.